Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us see how we can simplify complex fractions. So let us take an example. There we want to simplify. This is what we want to simplify. Let me write it down. We have 2 5/8 multiplied to 3 1/2, that's in the numerator, divided by 4 2/3 divided by 3 1/5. So this is a complex fraction. So we will explain the solution in simple steps. So step number one, we will simplify the numerator. Simplify the numerator. NR for short, numerator, NR short for numerator. We'll simplify the numerator. Then in step 2 we'll simplify the denominator. In step 3 we'll put the simplified form of numerator and simplified form of denominator and simplify it some more. Okay, so we have 2 5/8 times 3 1/2. So this is what we want to simplify first. So since both these numbers are in mixed format, we want to convert them into improper fractions. So the way we want to convert mixed numbers into improper fraction is as follows. We take the denominator of the fraction, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, add it to the numerator part of the fraction, and then divide the whole number by 8. And then in the second part of the mixed number we have is 3 1/2. So we do the same thing. We take the denominator of the fraction, multiply to the number on the side, take the product of that, and then add it to the numerator part of the fraction, divide that whole thing by 2. So we'll simplify this some more. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 divided by, let me write this 5, it looks like a 6. So 16 plus 5 divided by 8 times, and then in the second part here, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 divided by 2. We'll simplify this some more. So here we get 16 plus 5 is 21 divided by 8 times 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2. So when we simplify this, we're going to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 21 times 7 divided by 8 times 2. So 21 times 7 divided by 8 times 2. So 21 times 7, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So 21 times 7 is 147 divided by 8 times 2 is 16. So the numerator part simplified to 147 over 16. So then we take the denominator part. In step 2, we go back and see what we have in the denominator. We have 4 2/3 divided by 3 1/5. So let's write that here. We have 4 2/3 divided by 3 1/5. So this is what we have. We want to simplify this. This is in the denominator. So here again, since both these numbers are mixed number format, so we're going to convert them into improper fractions. In the first fraction, we do the same thing. We convert them. We take the denominator of the fraction, which is 3, times the number on the side, which is 4. Take the product of that and then add the numerator part to it, which is 2. Divide that whole number by 3. Divided by, in the second mixed number, we take the denominator, which is 5, multiply to the number on the side, which is 3. Take the product of that and then add 1, which is the numerator for the fraction. Divide that whole number by 5. So we keep simplifying some more. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 divided by 3 divided by 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 divided by 5. So now we simplify this some more. 12 plus 2 is 14 divided by 3, and then divided by, let's do this, 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 5. Now here I want to show you that we can simplify this part of it. We write the first fraction as is. This is same as 14 divided by 3 divided by 16 divided by 5. So we can write this one as 14 divided by 3. The numerator fraction comes down as is. We convert the division into multiplication, and then we write the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. We have 16 over 5. The reciprocal of 16 over 5 is 5 over 16, just like that, 5 over 16. And therefore, we can multiply the numerator parts. 14 times 5 divided by 3 times 16. Okay, so we can reduce it some more, and then the way to reduce it is as follows. 14 and 16 are multiples of 2, so 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times 8 is 16. So therefore 7 times 5 is 35, and then 8 times 3 is 24. Right? So the denominator reduced, the denominator simplified to 35 over 24. Now we want to put all of this together and simplify this. In step number 3, the numerator was 147 over 16. 147 over 16 divided by, the denominator was 35 over 24. If we were to look at the numerator, we have 21 times 7. We can also write this one as 147 over 16, which is the numerator part. We convert the division into multiplication, and then we write the reciprocal of the denominator. Which we have 35 over 24. The reciprocal of 35 over 24 is 24 over 35, like that, right? So therefore now we can simplify this some more. We know that 147 is 21 times 7, right? And then we have the 24 there. We'll multiply all the numerators. We can write 16 as 8 times 2 is 16, and then we can write 35 as 7 times 5 is 35. So we broke it down into some more smaller segments. That way, if we can see some similarity, we can cancel them out. So looking at the numerator part and looking at the denominator part, if we have numbers which are multiples of one another, we can reduce them. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 1 is 7. Then we have 24 and 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Right? And then we have, so now we need to multiply the numerator parts, multiply the denominator parts, and when we do that, we're going to come up with 21 times 3 divided by 2 times 5. So 21 times 2 is 63 divided by 10. So this is in its improper fraction format. So this is one way we can express the answer. The other way we can express the answer is by taking 63 and then dividing it by 10. 10 times 6 is 60. When we subtract, we're left with 3. So therefore 63 divided by 10 is equal to 6, 3 over 10. We can also express our answer in this mixed number format in this manner. So 63 over 10 is where we want to leave it. This is the way we want to simplify complex fractions.